Hey, I'm Harley. Today I'm teaching you a cool DIY hack. Well, not hack, but cool DIY film setup for creating a floating object. In this case, we're using a balloon. See you on the block. I don't know what to say next. So, to make a balloon levitate, first, all you gotta do is subscribe to me, like, and hit the notification bell, because I'm Harley and you know who I am. Just kidding. You please do that though. It really helps me because if you guys don't do that, well, I'm down in the dumps. So you know what? Let's just that's it. How to do this? Easy. You're gonna of course need a camera, and you're gonna need a tripod. But other than that, you're gonna need a balloon. You're gonna need some tape. You're gonna need 2 sticks with like a top on it, so kind of like a microphone stand with like a top out, or a light stand with a slider on top of it, something like that. You're gonna need, that's what I use. So you're gonna put them parallel to each other, like right next to each other. One here, the other one here. Now you want to place them near a background. Now you're going to take some fishing line. I have some amazing fishing line, and you're going to use it. And then you're going to attach it to. You're going to tape it onto a balloon, and like tie it and then tape it. And then you're going to use that, and you got to make sure it's a really long piece of fishing line. Then you drape the fishing line over one pole and over the other. And then you put your tripod in the middle of the 2 poles with the balloon on one side, and then with your camera on top of the tripod facing the balloon, which is attached to the fishing line. And then on one side you can actually pull. You can pull on the fishing line, and it will make the balloon raise or lower, and the camera will so you can make sure that it's in view of the camera, and then boom, you have a really cool shot. And that's kind of all you need to know about how to do this, because it's really that simple. So yeah, I just want to say now, please like, subscribe, do all of that, because you gotta do it if you want to do it, because I know I'm good, and you're also good, and yeah, you're amazing. So please just subscribe. It really helps. Yes, that was bad. Oh, shout out to one of the books I've been reading. Filmmaking for Dummies. Really good book. You do everything you need to know about filmmaking. And there was I'm not the best in financing my films, and this really taught me a lot about it. So thanks. We're not sponsored. # not sponsored, but you know what? Still fine. So yeah. Peace out. Make sure to subscribe. Peace out.